The back parts fit perfectly, but after galvanizing, they are locked tight. So what does a typical supplier do in this situation? They just grab a grind and grind the zinc off. But this is sea-freight product. So what do? We made an expensive decision. We paid premier to customize the raw material. Yeah, look at this surface. Unground marks at all. Only original, untouched galvanizing coating. It means the protection, rust protection is 100% intact. Now it's time to witness the value of customer material. Did you hear that? It's the air dampening effect we want. Not the losing rattling, but precision fit. 34.94. We just hit the 100 extra microns of the zinc thickness right inside of the raw material tolerance. If we don't customize the raw material, we could have made 10% more of the profits, but it's short-sighted. We don't do it. For the products, when they in the site for 3 years, wind and rain with no rust at all, the customers will know why we are worth it. We are not selling steel. We are selling decades of trouble-free services. Customer material, strict tolerance, perfect galvanizing. We did it. If you are fucking sick of receiving unqualified products in the site, you know who to call.